What makes a helicopter earn its place in history? The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk has proven itself time and again in combat zones, rescue operations, and critical missions across the globe. Built for strength and reliability, it has become a trusted asset for those who depend on it most. Its design and performance allow it to adapt to countless demands, ensuring it stays relevant even as technology advances. But what truly makes it stand out after decades of service? Stay with us as we count down the top 5 reasons the Black Hawk continues to be the best all-rounder helicopter. For those of you who are new around here, I'm your host, and welcome to the Aviation Federation community, your go-to source of the latest news and insights in aviation and beyond. Reason 1. Military combat power. The UH-60 Black Hawk was designed to fight and survive in contested skies. Armed with door-mounted M240 or Gu-17 machine guns, and able to carry rocket pods or Hellfire missiles on certain versions, it provides both troop transport and fire support. With space for 11 soldiers plus crew, it can insert forces quickly and cover them with suppressive fire during intense operations. Its role as both shield and sword makes it an essential force multiplier in any battle scenario. Its twin GT700 turbine engines deliver the power to maneuver while carrying heavy loads. A ceiling of 19,000 feet allows it to operate in high-altitude environments where other helicopters struggle. The aircraft's ability to combine firepower with troop deployment has made it a central part of military strategy for over 4 decades, proving itself as more than just a transport platform. This adaptability ensures it remains effective against evolving threats on modern battlefields. Reason 2. Medical evacuation. When lives hang in the balance, the Black Hawk's medevac role becomes vital. Configured with litter racks, it can carry up to 6 stretchers along with medical attendants. Its cabin layout gives medics room to work on wounded soldiers in transit, turning the aircraft into a flying emergency room. The design emphasizes the speed of care, ensuring patients are stabilized even before landing. With a maximum cruise speed of 183 knots or 338 km per hour, the Black Hawk can move patients swiftly to field hospitals or bases. Its rugged airframe ensures it can land on improvised sites close to the front lines, reducing the time between injury and treatment. This combination of speed, range, and survivability has made it one of the most trusted medevac platforms in modern warfare. Each mission further increases this helicopter's unmatched contribution to saving lives under extreme conditions. Reason 3. Firefighting support. Beyond combat, the Black Hawk has proven invaluable in civilian missions like firefighting. When outfitted with an external water bucket or tank, it can drop up to 1,000 gallons or 3,785 liters in a single pass. This capacity enables crews to tackle fast-spreading wildfires and protect communities in areas inaccessible to ground teams. Its precision in water release adds another layer of effectiveness during aerial firefighting campaigns. The helicopter's powerful twin engines give it the lift to carry these heavy loads repeatedly, even in rugged terrain. With a max range of 1,380 nautical miles or 2,556 kilometers, it can cover wide areas without frequent refueling. Its performance makes it one of the most reliable aerial firefighting assets, capable of supporting long campaigns during peak wildfire seasons. The ability to shift quickly from combat to civilian use is clear proof of its broad operational importance. Reason 4. Strong external lift. The Black Hawk is more than a troop carrier. It is also a heavy lifter. Fitted with a cargo hook rated up to 9,000 pounds, or over 4,000 kilograms, it can transport vehicles, artillery, or vital supplies by sling load. This ability enables commanders to transport equipment directly to forward areas or disaster zones, bypassing blocked roads and damaged infrastructure. By extending logistic support from the sky, it ensures critical assets reach the ground where they are needed most. Its robust engines ensure dependable lift performance even at higher altitudes. Crews can deliver everything from fuel drums to small boats, extending the helicopter's utility far beyond combat. In emergencies, this external lift role can mean the difference between stranded units and sustained operations, making the Blackhawk a true workhorse in military and civilian contexts. Indeed, this helicopter has the much-needed strength and efficiency in bridging gaps where other transport methods fail. Before we proceed with the rest of the video, please take a second to give us a thumbs up and drop your feedback in the comment section below. We're eager to read your thoughts on this video, and we promise to reply to as many of you as we can. You can also check out the description box for a ton of additional information and ways to support our channel. To ensure you never miss our latest aviation content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay in the loop with our future releases. Reason 5. Disaster relief. When natural disasters strike, the Black Hawk's flexibility shines. It can deliver food, water, and medical supplies to isolated populations, or evacuate survivors from flood zones and collapsed urban areas. Its ability to operate in rough terrain and land on unprepared sites has made it a first responder during crises worldwide. And, in times of chaos, its arrival often signals safety and relief for those in need. With a fuel capacity of 360 gallons or 1,363 liters, the helicopter can sustain long relief missions without frequent stops. Its passenger capacity allows for mass evacuations when every flight counts. Whether airlifting stranded civilians or transporting aid workers, the Black Hawk's endurance and reach continue to make it one of the most trusted assets in humanitarian response. Its consistent presence in emergencies has cemented its reputation as a global lifeline. Undeniably, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk has stood the test of time, remaining one of the most trusted helicopters in service. Its proven design and enduring performance ensure it continues to play vital roles across many missions. With combat power, rescuability, and heavy lift strength, it remains unmatched in its class. Which role of the Black Hawk do you think stands out the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe.